Bonjour and welcome to GSS Foreign Languages Institute. Today I am going to teach you about personal subject pronouns in French. But first, a little bit about me. My name is Deepak Sir and I am your French trainer, and I have 23 years of teaching experience in India and USA. So today we are going to learn about the personal subject pronouns in French. Just like in English, we have I, you, we, etc. So what do we have in French for these personal subject pronouns? Let's learn. Okay, so first one is je, and that stands for I. If you can't speak je, you can speak the words pleasure, measure, and then extract je from it. So repeat after me: pleasure, measure, je, je. Next you have tu. It stands for you in formal singular, which means that if we are talking to one person and that one person we are on personal terms with, then we will say the word, the personal subject pronoun we'll use is tu. And you can pronounce it like few, remove F and say tu. Put T in place of F and say tu. Good. So next we have il and elle. So he and she in French is il and elle. Just think of the sentence he is ill. So same ill, he is ill in French, we call it ill. And L is little bit extended L sound, so you can say L. So repeat after me, il, L. Next we have vous for you, which is formal singular. Again, if we are talking to one person and we are not on personal terms with that person, then we will use vous. And vous is also used for plural. So whether it is informal or formal, whether you know the persons or not, if you're talking to more than one persons, what are you going to use? Vous. Next we have nous. Nous is used for we. Like in English, we have the word tour. So in that, OU is being pronounced as oo. So remove the T and put N and it becomes nu. And the last alphabet is silent, as you have seen till now. Mostly the last alphabet, it could be more than one also. Last one, two, or three alphabets could be silent in French. And so this is nu for we. Next we have il and L. Again, the S is not being pronounced and it is sounding same as the singular il, L, which we said for he and she. And also we notice that we have two words for they. Why it is so? Well, for all females group, you will use L. So if you have more than one females and you are referring to them as they, then you will use L. But if the group of persons you are referring to by the word they consists of all males or some males and some females, or even one male and one female, then you will use il. So no matter how many females are there, but if you have even one male in the group you are referring to with they, you will use il. I hope that's clear. So if it's not clear, you can repeat the video a couple of times and I'm sure it will be clear. So let's repeat the pronouns once again. Je, tu, keep repeating after me. Il, elle, vous, nous, il, elle. So why we have written il and el together, both in the singular and plural forms? Because we will be learning the verb conjugations in a later video. And basically it means that the verbs, they change their form according to the personal subject pronoun. So it remains the same for il and el. So we use them together. And so you can learn it in the same sequence. Once again, repeat after me. Je, tu, il, elle, vous, nous, il, elle. So that's it for today. I hope your knowledge and pronunciation of the personal subject pronouns in French is now complete. Take care and au revoir.